Hi guys, welcome to bestwebteacher.com. Today in this WordPress tutorial, this is the 5th episode of WordPress tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Elementor and how to make website header or menu bar. So let's start this video. So this is our website wordpresslessons.biz. Now we are going to admin area and go to the plugin section and just click on add new. After that, just search here Elementor. So this is free plugins. We can add this plugin and we start work with this. So no need to pay for this plugin. Just click install and activate it. So Elementor is successfully activated. Now again we are going to the plugin section and click on add new. And again search with Elementor Kits. So this is the plugin Elements Kit. Click on install and activate it. In a simple process, we are going to make a website. Anyone can make website if you are following this video. So both plugins are installed. Now go to the appearance and theme section. Just I am going to activate this default theme. No need to any themes or any other things. I am going to delete all these two themes. Now this is the default website. If I am going to refresh this website, you can see same default installation. Now we are going to click on pages. Just delete all default pages. Delete. Now click on add new. We are going to add a new page. Just write on home and publish it. After publish the page, just click on default template to Elementor canvas and update it. Now click on edit with Elementor, and after that just click this E button, and here you can see so many different designs are available. You can choose any one. Some are paid, some are free. I am going to take free one. So this is the free one. Just click on insert and it will insert all designs, all content to the home page. We need to wait sometimes to import all these things. So now you can see all these things are imported, all designs are imported. Now click on update. Again go to the dashboard, and after that just click on appearance and customize. After that go to the home page settings and click on a static page, select home and publish it. Okay, now we are going to create header, logo section, menu section and contact us section here. To do this, just go to the dashboard and go to the Elements Kit and click on header footer. After that click on header section and click on add new and just write a title here, header, and I want this header entire site. Okay, click on activation and save changes. Okay, it's done. Again click on header and click on edit content. Now click on E button again and click on headers. After that insert any headers which you like. Okay, so many free and paids are available. I am going to install free one. So this is the free one. Click on insert and you can see successfully it's inserted. Just update it. After that exit to the dashboard and just refresh this page. It's not coming, so we need to again click on edit page, and after that just make it Elementor canvas to Elementor full width and update it. Again just visit this page. So now you can see it's working fine. Now we are going to create menu, and I will tell you how to change this logo and appointment, all this section. First we are going to create menu. Create menu, click on appearance and then menus. After that create a new menu, click here, menu, and click on it primary menu. After that click on create menu. It's created now. Now add new menu, home, and save menu. Up to now we have only one page, so one menu is available now. Now if I am going to refresh here, nothing is showing. So to do this, just again go to the Elements Kit and click on header footer, click on header and edit content. Just click this icon, edit icon, and select the menu, new menu, and update it. After that just again refresh it. Now you can see menu is available. Now how to change the logo? You can change the logo from here. You can choose any images or make any logos which you like. Now I am going to apply this logo. Just insert it and update it, and you can change here your address or mobile number also. You can change the mail ID also. You can change the address also. Okay, just update it. You can put the social links also. Just click on this edit button again, and here you can put the Facebook links, Twitter links, LinkedIn links, and you can add new links also, like this add button. Okay, in this appointment section you can put the link here for appointment link, and after that click on update. Now if we are going to refresh this, it completely changed now. Now we are going to make footer section. Just come down and you can see this is the footer section. If you want to like this, you can put it, or otherwise you can change it. To do this, again go to the dashboard section, and after that click on widget. By default so many things are available. Just remove all these things. Okay, all things are removed. Now click on refresh. You can see everything is gone. Now we are going to create new footer. Again go to the Element Kits and click on header footer. Now click on footer and add new. This is the footer, entire site, type footer, enter site, click on activation and save changes. After that again click on footer and click on edit content. Now again click to the E button and choose the footer. So many paids and free also available. You can put anything. So this one is free. I am going to click on insert, and you can see it's successfully inserted. Now you can change anything. You can change the logo, you can change the content, social links here, you can change the address, phone numbers, and you can put the links also. You can put the Instagram feeds also. Now we are going to change the copyright section. it's 2021. You can see the footer is completely activated now. So thanks for watching this video. Again, I will come up with 6th tutorial with how to edit all this content and create home page, about page, contact us page, services and products. Thank you. Have a nice day.